Hi, I'm Shamla, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, KCS Kasinada College of Arts and Science, Chennai. In this video, we are going to discuss few topics in software engineering. Topics covered in this video is formal specification techniques. Formal specification techniques. Functional characteristics of a software product are one of the most important activities to be then during the requirement analysis. The advantage of formal notation is concise and ambiguous. They provide the basis for verification of the resulting software product. Types of formal specification techniques: relational notations and state-oriented notations. Relational notations. It is based on the concept of entities and attributes. Entities are named elements in a system. The names are chosen to denote the nature of the elements. Example, stack and queue. Attributes are specified by applying functions and relations to the named entities. Attributes specify permitted operations on entities, relationships among entities, and data flow between entities. Relational notations is further divided into implicit equations, recurrence relations, algebraic axioms, and regular expressions. Implicit equations. It states the properties of a solution without stating a solution method. Example, matrix inversion, that is m into m exponential 1 is equal to I plus minus e. Matrix inversion is specified such that matrix product of the original matrix M and the inverse of M. M yields the identity matrix I plus minus. The error matrix, that is computational error. Complete specification of matrix inversion must include items such as matrix size, type of data elements, etc. Given a complete functional specification for matrix inversion, design involves specifying a data structure and algorithm for computing the inverse. Specifying computation of square root of a number between 0 and some maximum value y to a tolerance e. The equation is depicted here. Recurrence relations. It consists of an initial part called the basis and one or more recursive parts. The recursive part describes the desired value of a function in terms of other value of the function. Example, Fibonacci's number. f1 of 0 is equal to 0, f1 of 1 is equal to 1, f1 of n is equal to f1 of n minus 1 belongs to f1 of n into 2 for all n greater than 1. Recurrence relation is easily transformed into recursive programs. Algebraic axioms. Stages of axiomatic specification of a function. First one is establish the range of the input parameters over which the function is intended to behave correctly. Specify the input parameter constraints as a predicate. Second point, specify a predicate defining a condition which must hold on the output of the function if it behaves correctly. Third point is establish what changes are made to the function's input or output parameters. That is, in a purely mathematical function, no parameters would be changed. However, some programming languages modify parameters through call by name or call by reference. Fourth point, combine these into pre and post conditions for the function. Regular expression. Consider the search function that accepts an array of integers and some integer key of its parameters. The array members are sorted in increasing order. The function returns the array index of the member of the array whose value is equal to that of the key. The original input is unchanged. If the key is not matched, return an array index that is one number larger than the array's maximum index. The specification is function search. X such that integer array, key such that integer. Return integer pre-exist I in x first and x last. X of I is equal to key and for all I j in x first x last, that is I less than or equal to x of j. Post x such that search of x key is equal to key and x is equal to x. Error. Search x key is equal to x last plus 1x refers to the value of the array x after the function has been evaluated. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.